Did you know that 78% of people believe ethical choices directly impact their wealth and health? Yeah, you heard that right. Ethical decisions aren't just about doing what's right. They also have real, lasting impacts on our lives, from our finances to our health. In today's fast-paced world, making choices that align with our values doesn't just improve our quality of life, it can enhance our wealth and health too. When we make choices that reflect who we are, the benefits ripple throughout every part of our lives. But let's be real, making ethical choices isn't always easy. We're constantly facing challenges like social pressure, conflicting information, and even our own biases. Sometimes it feels almost impossible to know if we're truly making the right choice. So how can we make ethical decisions that align with our values and still benefit our lives? I've got a simple 4-step model that can help you make these decisions with confidence. All right, here's step 1. Input. Start by gathering all relevant information. Make sure you understand the situation fully before jumping to any conclusions. It's all about getting the facts straight from the beginning. Now, step 2. Process. This is where you study the information carefully. Consider all angles, weigh the pros and cons. Really think it through. Step 3 is to analyze. Take a moment to think about the possible outcomes. Ask yourself, how will this decision affect you? How will it impact the people around you? And, most importantly, does it align with your values? And finally, act. After all that preparation, it's time to make your choice and follow through. When you use these 4 steps, you'll have a clear ethical framework that can guide you through any decision. Let's look at a real-life example to bring this process to life. Meet Maria, a single mom who decided to invest her time and resources in sustainable business practices. At first, her community didn't understand her choices and didn't offer much support. But as they started seeing her success and the positive impact on the environment, they joined in. Today, Maria's community is thriving, both financially and ethically, thanks to her commitment to doing the right thing. Whether it's a financial decision, a health habit, or just a lifestyle choice, ethical decisions have the power to guide us toward better outcomes. So are you ready to start transforming your life, one ethical choice at a time? Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments about an ethical choice you've made and how it impacted your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video on how to live a more ethically driven life. Together, let's make choices that matter.